I am Maria Guerrero, a 65 years old Colombian lady. I'm working at the medical center, a great place to work, and I'm studying in Sky Technical College. I'm pursuing my degree in culinary arts. It's so fun, so nice for me. But I'm so happy because I have wonderful teachers and very nice classmates. So I want to tell you about my country because we are very few people from my country here in USA. My country is a very beautiful and rich country. We have very delicious food, we have all climates, and we have no seasons there. We are always hot, and the mountainous place is very cold all the time. I want to talk about Colombian food because here in this part of USA we know a little bit about Colombian food. It's a little different to Central American or Mexican food. For example, we used to eat soups every day, different kind of soups, like ajiaco, like locro, like lentil soups. And also we used to drink natural juices every day with very few amount of sugar. So usually the sugar in the fruit itself. And we have also empanadas, very delicious, very different to Mexican empanadas. And we have arepas, that's very similar to Venezuelan arepas. This is our main part of our breakfast, especially in the farms. At this age, I'm thinking to do something fun for me. So I'm preparing myself to open in the next years a small food truck with Colombian food. This is probably my last project in my life, but I'm planning to have fun with this. Okay, I'm gonna finish this small talk telling you a phrase you use in my country. They say, where God planned you, bloom nicely. Yeah, that means in Spanish, donde Dios te plantó, florece.